Hey everyone. This past weekend I attended a track day at Laguna Seca hosted by SpeedSF. It was a pretty exciting day because I competed in the SpeedSF challenge for the first time, and I got to hang out with Zygrene and his buddy Seigo, who also run Honda S2000s. The SpeedSF challenge is an optional time attack session where you compete against other cars in the same class as you. Each car is put into one of 6 different classes based on a point system which takes into account almost any modification that you can think of. At the beginning of the day, they give you a transponder which records your lap times, and you spend the first 2 sessions of the day qualifying for your position in the starting grid. Once lunchtime rolls around, every SpeedSF challenge competitor is gridded based on the best lap time they set during the qualifying sessions. Once you exit the hot pits, the first 2 laps are run with no passing to allow competitors to warm up their tires and their brakes. What is really great about this approach is that it almost completely ensures that you won't hit any traffic, since the person in front of you is going to gap you and you will gap the person that's behind you. Despite setting a new personal best in the high 146s, I was still half a second away from making it to the podium. It's crazy to think that a year and a half ago I was stoked to go faster than 150, and now I'm in the 146s. With some stickier tires, I know I can get into the 145s and maybe even the 144s. Overall, the car did really well with the exception of some understeering in the first 2 corners. My hunch is that the front tires might be overheated after the intense braking zone followed by the immediate and ready hairpin. I did my best to work around this with heavy use of trail braking and lift-off oversteer. Anyway, here are the highlights from that day.